city.
In a first, Woodland Hospital, Shillong performed the first plasma exchange. Speaking to media persons, the consultant nephrologist of Woodland Hospital, Dr. Inda Keolin Kharbuli, informed that plasma exchange is a form of blood purification system which is different from the dialysis system. Dr. Kharbuli added that plasma exchange is a simple procedure which takes only around 20 minutes for the procedure to happen. All the plasma of the patient that are harmful to the patient are exchanged with fresh plasma.
Plasma exchange is a form of a blood purification system. It's different from the dialysis. It's a process where we change the plasma of a patient through a special filter. We connect a filter to the machine. It could be a dialysis machine. And it's a very simple procedure where it takes only around 20 minutes for the procedure to happen. Patients who require plasma exchange are usually those patients who have antibodies in their system, like special cases of TTP, which is thrombocytopenic purpura, any anti-GBM disease, or cases of SLE also who don't respond to treatment.
And now here is the weather report. The max